Good day, investors. Welcome to the 22nd of May 2015. The trade for today is called Woolies and the code is WHL. Last traded price was 96.46. The action on this trade is to do a sell with an entry level at 97 Rand. Target on this trade is on the green line of 93 Rand 12 and the stop loss to be used is 98 Rand 94. Looking at the current open trades at this moment is ITU, CML, Bidvest, Aspen, Shoprite and Sanlam. Looking at the top 40 index, black line is indicating the top 40 shares movement, the red line is the 10-day moving average and the blue line the 20-day moving average. A lot of sideways movements, one day up, one day down. A lot of volatility. It shows you traders tries to buy the bottom of the top, and it turns early in the morning and turns late in the afternoon to positive to negative, so quite a lot of volatility. Looking at the Dow Jones itself, they closed last night actually on 0 points, nothing up, nothing down, and they actually closed close to this green line here, showing you volatility is due here, market is on high. And the expectation now is quite top is, can you break further upwards of this momentum or are you going to come down? Looking at this, they're still trading between the green and the red in a positive channel, but on the top of this channel, and the volumes are very thin, so the expectation is we need to see if they could come down very soon from these type of levels, similar to those levels, and this levels here, and this levels here, going down. Looking at the J200, at this moment, the volatility is spilling over to us as well. One day up, one day down, one day up, one day down, one day up. So basically in the morning you can see they go up and later through the course of the day they come down. Or they go down and then later through the course of the day they go up. So the volatility is playing a huge role here at this moment, causing a lot of uncertainty and frustrations for some traders as well. Let's go and look at your Shoprites. Shoprites are getting support here as expected. Yesterday they went up about 1 Rand 12. Still trading on the bottom of this channel between the green and the purple. So we need to see if they can move a bit higher from current levels of 163 to 167. Looking at Woolies, also on the top there. Momentum is still there, but we need to see if it's going to start fading out. Yesterday they closed 5 cents higher, but that's physically it after this positive channel. Looking at Mr. Price, similar momentum, trading between these two bands of 241 248.93. Sideways pattern, still trading under the green line and above the purple line. Needs to break this about 250 if it needs to rally up in the short term. Looking at your banks, there's the tops we spoke about and needed to break it up if it needs to confirm this reversal head and shoulder pattern. Came down from that shoulder. Next support level is 181.80, currently trading at 182.50. Still trading between the green and the purple. Nothing concluded for a breakup due as yet. Looking at your standard banks, did precisely the same. Tested this green line, came down. Now could go back to the 165.80 and test that. Still trading between the green and the purple. Looking at Investec, totally the opposite. Yesterday it went up 87 cents. Trading now at 116.84. Still in this positive channel, above the green and the red. Very soon we need to see if this one could come down as well. So the other banking shares are low, this one is high, totally the opposite. Let's go and look at the MTNs. Now MTN losing still momentum, high, low, getting supported to 250. We need to see current trading range is 250 235.71. Need to see if it's going to break it upwards or start breaking this one downwards. Still trading under the green line. Looking at Vodacom, wow, broke to 61.8%. Yesterday this share lost about 2 Rand 27. Momentum is totally breaking down here. But we need to see 135. Expectation could be back to the 129 if this one's still going to keep going down. Telkom on the other hand, totally sideways at this moment. struggling to break these highs here of about 74.32, and you can see this high is 74, so we need to see if it's going to break it. Currently testing this bottom here. Now the big question is, will you break it and go down? And that support level is at 71.69. It's about 71 rand that it needs to break if it needs to go lower underneath the 70 rand levels. Looking at your Exaros, totally completed. There's a bit of a positive movement coming back here. 53 cents positive on the bottom of this leg. Need to see if a bit of a rise would start happening now. For that to happen, needs to break this 94 rand level, currently trading at 88. CFR, yesterday it closed about 50 cents higher, testing the 110. Our level was about 109. Well done. Needs to see now if there's a bit of profit taking that could happen on this specific share. Looking at indicators, quite toppish, but no direction of downward movement. Enjoy the silly Friday, and speak to you on Monday again.